Okay. There's Lily. So happy. Oh, Claire, where'd you go? Claire. Do it again. Go away for like a minute. Claire. Claire. Oh. She's zoning out. Watch this, Daddy. Oh, Claire. Claire. Where'd Lily go? Where'd you go? What did we just say, sweetie? She's got a cold. You don't need to be putting her yucky hands in your mouth, okay? Claire. Where'd Lily go? Yay! Beep. Where's Claire?